What is up? So we grabbed a hotel up in Breckenridge last night. It snowed like 15 inches yesterday and it's coming down right now. Doc gave me the clear to get back on snow, so should be a pretty epic pow day today. Woo! That is a big husky. All right, so just got in the gondola and it took us like 45 minutes to drive what normally would take about 12. It's whiteout snow conditions. I think today's gonna be all time. We're not gonna be able to see much, but I think it's supposed to stop snowing around like 10 or 11 this morning. So hopefully the skies will open up and we'll get some visibility. But right now it looks like we're about to have an epic pow day. Out here with Jeff, Josh, and Matt. What do you think, boys?
Pow pow.
Pow pow.
Ain't no day but a pow day.
Well, we finally made it on the chairlift, and it is epic out here. Still dumping snow. So I think first we're gonna head over to Peak 9, try to hit the windows if they're open, and if not, we've got some good tree pockets over there we're gonna try to get through, and might go over to 10 as well. But let's check it out. So we just took our first run. Jeff, what'd you think?
Man, it's epic today. I just can't believe how uncrowded it is. This is the fewest people I think I've ever seen at Breck. Makes for a great day.
Yeah, I think the road's supposed to be closed or something on the way here because there's no one out here, and the runs, I've never seen them this untouched, so it's about to be epic. About to switch to POV. Time to get Cindy. Am I recording?
Yeah.
So we're back in the car. Made a rookie mistake today, forgot my batteries, so I had to film with 2 batteries and it was super cold out there, so GoPro died pretty quickly. But it was all time, got some epic shots. So glad to be back on my snowboard. Ended up with just a grade 2 MCL sprain. So yeah, I'm back on the mend and ready to get some more days in this year. Sounds like we're gonna have some more snow later this week, so hopefully gonna get up here and get some more POW days. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. Almost to 1,000 subscribers. Hopefully gonna hit that milestone soon and keep these videos coming.
Wide out.
I like onions.